We're all set.
Go.
Good morning, everyone. This is Jeremy Warren, President, founder of the Lincoln Johnny Lightning Race Club. I'd like to welcome everybody here to our 10-year anniversary club meeting, March 10th, 2019. I'm standing next to our first, what I call our flagship track, our two-lane track. And then we have our brand new two-lane track, which is right in the middle, and then our four-lane track on the other side. So I'm going to just kind of go over it quickly with you. We're going to be doing a lot of racing today. We want to thank everybody for coming out this morning, especially with the weather conditions. It's not the greatest today, but it is going to get better. So we hope to see more people here today, especially with our 3rd anniversary. I'm going to have Derek here go along and show some things, the display tables, start setting up. So we should have a great turnout. And I want to thank everybody for making this club the best diecast club in New England. Okay, thank you.
Remember, this is 2019. We're starting off this year with a bang. Yeah. So here's our two-lane track. Goes all the way down to the end. It's a 23-foot track. This is our new track. Another two-lane. This is literally going to be the premiere of our two-lane track today. Here's our friend Zach. You can also like his page. He's also on YouTube. He does a lot of Monster Jam. Amazing stuff. And here are some of our vendors. So we got a lot of stuff going on here. So this is how it is every month here at the Lincoln Johnny Lightning Club. These are the trophies for this year. This is going to be the 10th anniversary trophies. You know, remember, we need likes and subscribes. We want to make LJLRC Let's Race this #1 YouTube channel on YouTube. So come on down. You definitely want to check us out every month. We'll do a quick live with, say hi, Dave. Dave is welcome.
We'll be doing the auction today.
This is LJLRC Let's Race. This is our YouTube channel.
Oh, all right. Here we go.
So we want to make 2019 enlarge. Yeah. This is going to be crazy. When we go live,
A lot of pre-production stuff.
when we go live on NASCAR Man 3345, you're going to see some crazy stuff. You can ask questions and everything. So don't forget to like all the pages and keep on going. This is LJLRC Let's Race. It's coming back at you.